अपॉयंटींग ऑथॉरिटी हांव सगळे अभेन्सान दवरल्या. सायन कोणी करूंक ना. मिनिट्स बी लोकांनी पत्र बरयल्लें आसा की आमकां फोर्सांनी सायन मारपाक लायल्या म्हणून. फायल्यो हांवें दवरल्या. ते फायल्यो योग्य टायमाक पयलें म्हाजें प्रायोरिटी आसा GMC परत सुरू करपाची आनी बेगीन सुरू करपाची आनी मार्गार लावपाची. तेजे उपरांत मागीर कन्सिडर करपाक काय हरकत ना. पयलीं म्हाजें GMCन पयलीं. फाल्यां लोक म्हणटलो की हांव प्रायवेट सेक्टर डॉक्टर प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटलाचो एजंट जाला म्हणून. हांव खंयचोच हॉस्पिटलाचो एजंट ना. गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज, वी हॅव टू सी दॅट इट बिकम प्रिमियम इन्स्टिट्यूशन. I am not here to come and save the private sector or be an agent of the private sector or private hospitals. I will see, even in case of kidney transplant, I am not giving permission to any other hospital till Goa Medical College starts his first kidney transplant. I am putting now we have moved the file, approved also by me yesterday for having Tiwari as the head of department of nephrology. He wanted it to be bifurcated. I have agreed, you bifurcate it, but you must start this kidney transplant Goa Medical College. आमचे कितें हा उद्देश, गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान कितें सोयी पयलीं चालू जाल्ली हांव आसतना ती परत चालू जाल्यार मागीर विचार करया प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटलाक दिवपाक. तो पर्यंत कसलोय दबाव आयल्यार हांव तें काम करपाचोच ना. ते फायली हांवें तशेंच पेंडींग दवरल्या आनी ते रद्द करून कमिटी डिजॉल्व करपाचे म्हाजे विचार चल्ला. ते ह्या 2 दिसान हांव नोट घालून ते डिजॉल्व करून आय वील पूट अ न्यू कमिटी इन प्लेस अँड आय वील नॉट कन्सिडर registering any hospital for kidney transplant till Goa Medical College does its first kidney transplant. आयज डायलिसिसाचे खुबशे पेशंट येता. आमी आतां हांव मिनिस्टर जावपाचे पयलीं टेंडर जाल्ली ते आतां फायनल आमी केला. ते टेंडर म्हणजे म्हापशा हॉस्पिटलान नावेली, कित्याक तो कोर्ट केस चालू नावेली आमी ते डायलिसीस चालू करता, फोंड्याच्या हॉस्पिटलान चालू करता आनी वाळपय चालू करता. म्हणजे ह्या पेशंटाक तितकी सोय गावतली आनी सगळ्या लोकांनी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान येवपाची गरज पडची ना. आतां हांव रावला, हांव रिव्यू मागल्या कित्याक डिले जाल्ले आसा ते जावंक जाय. पूण हे डिपार्टमेंट जे तांकां गरजेचे आहा ते नेफ्रोलॉजी, युरोलॉजी हे सगळ्यांक बसून तांकां कितें बॅकअप जाय. गेल्या 3-4 वर्सांनी तांकां बॅकअपूच गावंक ना. आयज 450 ते 500 पोस्ट गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजाचे न भरता लॅप्स जाल्या म्हणून आमी 1 टायम रिवायवल मागला. ते मुख्यमंत्री प्रोसिजर फायनलायज करतले, मॉडॅलिटी फायनलायज करतले. आतां जेन्ना हॉस्पिटलान डॉक्टर बरोबर बाकी सगळो टेक्निकल स्टाफ धरून तुमी आयज कॅज्युअलिटीन गेल्यार ECG टेक्निशियनचो कमी आहा. 2 जण EOL घेवन ना थंय कामार. म्हणजे ते बेसीक ECG टेक्निशियन ECG काडपाक थंय जाय. आतां CMO पयलींचे हांवें केल्ले ते 4 आहा ते 4ूच आहा आतां पर्यंत. We have taken a very bold step of making fees applicable in all the health institutions. Government Medical College will no longer be a free highway for anybody for treatment. We will not deny anybody for treatment. We have formed a committee. This committee will, by 25th October, I have directed them to provide the list of all the procedures, all the facilities in Goa Medical College and health services which will be priced. A nominal fee, suppose a CT scan, I'm giving just a benchmark, suppose a X scan costs say 3,000 rupees. So at least we are saying 500 rupees or 750 rupees should be charged. We are here to provide benefit to the Goans. That doesn't mean I am depriving people coming from out from treatment. We will give everybody treatment. But then I have to give priority to the Goan people. I am Minister of the State of Goa. This decision was long pending and had to be taken. Goa Medical College is overloaded. And it cannot handle this type of things unless I take such a precautionary steps. This Goa Medical College will collapse one fine day. As a result, we will keep a certain base price. And if somebody is really poor, and if he is a laborer, now there are many laborers who come from outside Goa, and if they are a labor class or somebody like, they will be medical superintendent and head of department will be given powers by the government to exempt such cases and give them free treatment. So never keep in your mind that poor people will have a problem, or absolutely labor class people or certain working class people will have a problem. Such problems will not arise. Power will be given, and I have told them as a part of the information system, you will, in that order, we will mention very clearly that these cases should be informed to the government from time to time. So on a monthly basis, we will see how many we have given free, but power will be vested by that head of department. But in general, we will charge for all the cases and all the procedures that are there. Otherwise, we cannot afford to give angioplasty, angiography free of charge. People are coming from Sawantwadi, people are coming from neighboring states, people are coming from Karwar. As a result of which, the load on my department and the load on the GMC is increasing to such an extent that the waiting period is increasing beyond a particular thing. Now we are taking in the next cabinet. We have already approved by the Chief Minister. Hopefully the file will come to the next cabinet, where we are planning to take 4 additional cardiologists. The super specialty block of Goa Medical College somewhere end of November, we should be in a position to lay the foundation stone for the 320 crore super specialty block project, out of which 120 crores is already sanctioned by the Government of India. First installment, which will be undertaken, work will be undertaken by GSIDC for the regional cancer center, will be received by end of October. Also, we are coming up with a new concept that we are planning to outsource the kitchen and the canteens of Goa Medical College. Reason I'll tell you, I've done a cost analysis through a chartered accountant over the last 10 days. I'm sitting on this to see how much I'm actually spending per patient. We are going to strengthen Goa Medical College. Priority of mine is the district hospitals, and Goa Medical College is first priority. For first 6 months, I've dedicated only to put this in place. This week, I'm going to go and spend one full day in the Mapsa district hospital, understanding what are the problems. But unless I do step by step, I will not be able to achieve anything. If I take too many things in my area, I will not be able to deliver. Now we are already formed a committee to finalize the tender where the kitchen will be outsourced, it will be modernized like is being done in All India Institute of Medical Sciences. So I am following the concept that is being followed in other government hospitals across the country. And what we are doing is, it will be end to end, so that the food that is cooked, that agency itself will have the responsibility of serving the patient, having dietitians and all those things, and then collecting the plates from there and then taking it back. This is the whole tender concept, and also we'll have canteens managed by them itself. For the students and for the doctors, we'll have a separate canteen. For the relatives, we'll have a separate canteen, totally managed by this one tender which we are bringing out, without extra cost to the government. Whatever that staff is there, that staff will be redeployed to some other place. Quality facilities to the poor patients who come to Goa Medical College is the need of the hour, and this is how we are going to progress. We are also in the process of restarting newborn baby screening, which was stopped by the government earlier. Another 10 ambulances, including a VVIP ambulance for any case didn't have one in our. These ambulances end of October should be ready for commissioning at the hands of Honorable Chief Minister. 19 December, 5 cardiac ambulances, doctors on board 24/7 will be launched at hands of Chief Minister. 19 December is my target. They have said 45 days they require to give me the ambulance, and then another 10-15 days to load it with the machinery that is required. This will be directly, cardiac ambulances will be monitored by the cardiac wing of the Goa Medical College. I think in another 2-3 meetings we will be very clear, and we will be able to staff Goa Medical College to its full strength